When reliability matters, turn to Cybernet Manufacturing. Hello, I'm Chet Strongiron, Vice President of Product Demolition at Cybernet Manufacturing. We talk a pretty big game about how our all-in-one computers are engineered to withstand the harshest environments and the toughest conditions. But do they really live up to the hype? Today, we're going to be testing the strength of our chemically hardened tempered touch glass that we use in all of our all-in-one PCs. How are we going to do this, you ask? I'll be taking this 3-pound hammer from that pendulum, and I'll be dropping it from a distance of about 4 feet. It's a grueling job, but somebody's got to do it. It's hammer time. That was too legit. Let's watch that again in slow-mo. It's hammer time. Gotta love those high-speed cameras. But I know what you're thinking. Chet, there's no way you would deliberately destroy such a high-tech piece of equipment. That video's gotta be fake. Well, for all you skeptics out there, to prove that this video is just as real as my identical twin brother, Kevin, we're gonna take a baseball bat to it. So what's the moral of the story today? Well, if you feel the urge to take a Louisville Slugger to your all-in-one, don't do that. That's not smart. But you know you can trust Cybernet if you need a machine that'll take a licking and keep on ticking. For more information, be sure to visit our website by clicking on the link below.